How to reset Instagram password if forgotten. First, launch the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, hit the hamburger icon to open your settings. In your account section, click on the Account Center option. You can find a section on Account Settings. Here, select Password and Security. In the section on Login and Recovery, press the Change Password option. Select the account you want to reset the password for if you have multiple accounts. Below the text fields, you can find the Forgotten Your Password option. Tap on it. An email will be sent to your address, so go to the Gmail application. Open the mail, then tap on the Reset Password button. Next, type in your new password in the text field. Retype your new password again to confirm it. Finally, tap on the Reset Password button. This is how you can reset your Instagram password if forgotten.